Is this the most sinister Golf ever created? The 2025 Volkswagen Golf R Black Edition has arrived, and it's not just wearing a darker wardrobe, it's packing more punch under the hood. Today we're getting our first look at Volkswagen's latest hot hatch creation, and there's a lot to unpack. Let's dive in. The regular Golf R was already a performance powerhouse, but the Black Edition takes things up a notch with 328 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque from its enhanced 2-liter turbocharged engine. That's a 13 horsepower bump over the standard model, and you'll feel every bit of that extra muscle. Volkswagen claims this blacked-out beast will sprint to 60 miles per hour in just 4.6 seconds. Launch control engaged, the 7-speed DSG transmission firing off lightning-quick shifts, and the 4-motion all-wheel drive system clawing at the pavement. It's a properly quick machine. But straight-line speed is only part of the story. The Black Edition comes standard with the Performance Package, which includes a larger roof spoiler for added downforce and specialized driving modes like Drift and Special. That Special mode was specifically tuned for the Nürburgring, optimizing the adaptive suspension for the famous German circuit. The dark theme continues inside, where you'll find a thoroughly modern cockpit dominated by screens. The 12.9-inch infotainment display runs Volkswagen's latest MIB3 interface, while the 10.2-inch Digital Cockpit Pro handles instrument duties. Unlike the GTI, which has returned to physical buttons, the Golf R Black Edition sticks with haptic controls on the steering wheel. Sliding into the driver's seat, you immediately notice the bolstering, supportive without being restrictive. The seating position is spot on, with excellent visibility despite the Golf R's performance intentions. The flat-bottom steering wheel feels substantial, with just the right thickness. One quick drive reveals the Black Edition's dual personality. Toggle through the drive modes, and you'll find a significant spread between comfort and race settings. The dynamic chassis control adaptive suspension is the star here, transforming from reasonably compliant to track-ready firm at the push of a button. The steering is precise and well-weighted, though it doesn't quite deliver the raw feedback of some competitors. But what the Golf R might lack in steering feel, it makes up for with its incredible traction and stability. This is a car that inspires confidence on twisty roads. Braking performance impresses as well, with a firm pedal and excellent modulation. The Black Edition sheds speed with authority, ready to dive into the next corner with minimal drama. As the name suggests, this Golf R embraces the dark side. Those 19-inch Estoril alloy wheels? Blacked out. Brake calipers? Black. Exhaust tips and badging? You guessed it, black. The result is menacing yet sophisticated, especially when paired with the striking lapis blue paint on our test car. All this performance and technology comes at a price. Starting at $49,640 including destination, the Golf R Black Edition pushes well into premium territory. That's substantial money for a Volkswagen hatchback, but then again, this is no ordinary Golf. The Black Edition makes a compelling case for itself against both traditional hot hatches and entry-level sports cars. Few vehicles offer this combination of everyday practicality and genuine performance capability. For the enthusiast who needs one car to do it all, commute comfortably, haul groceries, and tear up a track day, the Golf R Black Edition delivers in spades. It's a sophisticated hot hatch that's grown up without losing its playful spirit. Is it worth the premium over the standard Golf R? For those who appreciate the darker aesthetic and enhanced performance, absolutely. Volkswagen has created their most capable Golf yet, and possibly their most desirable. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.